Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare hyaluronic acid versus retinol. Let's start by understanding hyaluronic acid. This powerful humectant attracts and holds a significant amount of water, deeply hydrating your skin. It's excellent for improving skin elasticity and visibly reducing fine lines. Plus, it's generally gentle, making it suitable for almost all skin types, even those with sensitivity. It's a fantastic choice for daily hydration. Now let's explore retinol, a potent vitamin, a derivative. Retinol works by accelerating skin cell turnover and boosting collagen production. This makes it highly effective for addressing wrinkles, improving uneven skin tone, and even managing acne. However, it's important to note that when you first start using retinol, you might experience some dryness, redness, or peeling as your skin adjusts to its powerful effects. So what are the key differences? Hyaluronic acid excels at providing intense hydration and a plumping effect, making your skin feel supple and smooth. Retinol, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for anti-aging, promoting cell renewal, and significantly improving skin texture and tone. They truly offer distinct benefits, meaning your choice depends on your primary skin concerns and what you hope to achieve with your skincare routine. Ultimately, the better ingredient depends on your individual skin needs. Hyaluronic acid is fantastic for daily hydration, keeping your skin plump and supporting a healthy barrier. Retinol is your go-to for tackling signs of aging and refining skin texture. Many people find success using both, incorporating hyaluronic acid for hydration and retinol for its transformative effects. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.